Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on month 9 of the color Vortex and it's week 33 already. And it's mind-blowing and it goes boom. Every time I get busy and start working on this, I think of the box of the month and the way that Mike and his team are rolling it out. I can't be more pleased with every detail that they've got. So let's get down on the table and I'll show you what I've got done. I went ahead, as I said earlier in my earlier videos, that I was going to go ahead and work the weeks and then just show you. So that's what I've done here as well. So as you can see, right here is the E block, and it's E1 and E2 that we're working in, and it's the same right here. What you're seeing is the mirrored image. So when I flip this over, this is the side that you're going to be seeing right here. It's the QY, and then this here is your E down here. So that'll be good landing zones for you. I've went ahead and sewn it together, pressed my seam, all of my lines line up, and I've pinned at my junction. So this week went really fast in getting this piece together. So thank you for joining me, and I'll see you back next week as we move this month along. Take care, God bless, and have a fabulous day.